We are performing a crawlspace inspection for a customer here in Carolina Beach, checking the moisture content for the wood. We are also checking the humidity levels, making sure her dehumidifier is operating properly, see if we see any water intrusion or any other thing that's obvious. And we didn't do this encapsulation, but we do service other people's installs. And I'll show you briefly kind of what we're looking at. And I'll post another video of moisture content for the joist and humidity levels. Thank you, Crawlspace Maniac.